something, my daughter, that I need to tell you, and there's no easy way on your heart. The truth is, your mother and I have decided we're better off living apart. But nothing's gonna change between you and me. We'll only grow stronger in time. As sure as the river will run to the sea, you can always come running to this love of mine, till the end of forever, the last day of never, and through all of your life in this world. Promise me you'll always remember my love will follow you anywhere, till the end of forever. I promise I'll always be there. We'll look back at the pieces that we put together, and the puzzle will mean so much more. I'll be right where you found me, wrapped around your finger, like I've been since the day you were born. And who'll walk beside you when you walk down the aisle, when true love is taking your hand? When you're lost in the eyes of your own child, you'll remember this moment, and you'll understand, till the end of forever, the last day of never, and through all of your life in this world. Just promise me you'll always remember my love will follow you anywhere, till the end of forever. I promise I'll always be there. Spread the wings of your dreams, that's my only prayer, to love every moment, from sunrise to sunset, and your heart is my heart. I will be there. Promise me you'll always remember my love will follow you anywhere, till the end of forever. I promise, till the end of forever. I promise, and God is my witness. I promise I'll always be there. So promise you'll